Wait! Don't leave me here! She's fucking crazy! Okay, I'll tell you anything you want to know! Just please, don't!
Back up! Oh shit!
Who's that?
Get the car! Get the car! Oh God! Step on it! Take him out! No way you get away clean, Ponytail! No way! Come on! Come on! Stop! Move! Move! You're done. Are you done? I'm gonna break your face. Tell your boss, stay the fuck out of my territory.
Fuck you, eh?
I say stop! There is nowhere to run! Give yourself up!
Ah, shit. Just what I need.
Let me chase you! Hands on your head! Just give it up!
Get in! What the hell? Who the fuck are you guys?
Change your tone, Shen. Miss Yang is a red pole, and she just saved your life.
Miss Jang? Broken Nose Jang? My apologies, Madame Red Pole.
So why'd you bring me out here?
I have heard a lot about you, Wei Shen. I will get to the point. You must realize that you cannot stand against Big Smile Lee alone.
That's what everyone tells me. Roland Ho said I'd need other bosses to support me.
Indeed. Nah, I believe in harmony, balance, peace, and I don't mind spilling a little blood to achieve it. With Uncle Po in the hospital, there's much uncertainty in the Sun On Yi. If he recovers, we will both be stable and strong.
But if he dies?
The 18K presents a very real threat. We cannot afford to appear weak. We will need to elect a new chairman quickly.
You, for instance.
Ah, Big Smile Lee represents a step backwards for the Sun On Yi. Why continue to force girls into prostitution and pornography when there are other, less archaic, more profitable ways for us to make money? I have very different ideas about our future. I want to take the Sun On Yi forward, but it would be unwise even for me to stand against Big Smile Lee unaided, which brings me to you. Nah, we both appear to have the same problem, Wei Shen, and the opportunity to benefit if we work together.
So it seems. I have my own reasons for hating Big Smile Lee's operation. Now, if you stand against him, you can count on me.
Good. We will talk soon. 早唞啦吓，魏生。
我生不入官門，死就預咗落地獄。我都唔知點答你好。 係啩？
喂，Can I help you？ 喂，Don't go too crazy on this one，喂。
你條撚樣，有種你就咪撚死！佢啦，屌你老味，斬佢啊！仆街！僆仔，話打佢啫，梗打撚咗，揾阿仆
Hey, man.
Wait! You won't believe what those assholes did!
Who?
Those guys are top glamour, they're fucking with me! I brought them another load of watches. They were supposed to give me 200,000 for them. Instead, they give me this hunk of shit. I don't even know how to ride this thing. I had to push it here.
Calm down. Give me the bike. I'll get you your money.
What are you gonna do?
Same thing I always do, Jackie. Let me in?
All right, come on in.
Not this fucking guy.
What do you want?
My friend Jackie tells me you owe him some money.
You're sitting on it. And where'd you get off strong-arming me, huh? I know you're a cop.
And I know you're a snitch. You want to see who your boys kill first?
Fuck you. Kill him! Kill him!
That's it, asshole. Come on, fuckers! You're coming with me.
Come on, man, let's be going!
only have yourself to blame. Shut up!
Inspector, I have one of your informants in the trunk of my car.
What?
Yeah, he needs to disappear right now. So either you make him disappear or I will.
Bring him over.
Hey! Did we stop? Let me out of here! I fucking shit myself! Fucker! Hey, let me out of here, you fucker! My people are gonna cut you into pieces, you hear me? Huh? You hear me, you fucker?
Here's your guy. Hope you still want him. But I don't want this coming back to bite me in the ass.
I'll take care of it. Where he's going, he won't be in a position to tell anyone anything.
Hey, I can hear you! What the fuck are you doing out there? Open the fucking trunk, will you?
Hey! Show the lady some respect.